Alright, we got a Lincoln Weld Pack 100. Switch started going out in it. When the switch goes out, it just clicks. It doesn't shoot out any, it doesn't feed out any string or wire. This is what the switch looks like. Basically, this thing here goes and makes contact with each. Now, as you can tell, it was already starting to kind of heat up and burn, maybe not making good contact with it. And then what happened was it eventually burned off that plastic piece right there, and it was no longer making any contact. So this switch is probably, if you can even find it, it's probably over $100. What I'm gonna do, I tried, I thought using breakers would work, but it doesn't put enough voltage out to make the contact between the breakers. So like this right here, this is the B. I just welded. I needed to finish welding the thing I was welding, so I'll just add a direct connection with the main, and then the B. This is C. C is the only one that goes that way. A is the smallest, and D is next to B, the big one. So right now, until my switches come in, I'm just gonna make single connections with the main wire using this wire nut. It actually works better. I get a better weld with it, so I guess the switch had been going out for a while, not making really good contact anymore. But I'm gonna go with either knife switches, and I'll probably mount them on this side of the, just bring these wires out and mount them out here. I ordered the double throw. I was thinking that the center will be my main. I'll tie everything in with the center, and then have A, B, D, C, D kind of a scenario. Or I kind of would prefer to go with a 20 amp switch, because I don't know how many amperage the knife switches will carry. I guess I want to try this. Is a 600 volt 8 gauge. I don't know. I don't know what kind of wire. I was thinking about using this. Where'd it go? Starting to use this, which is look on the covering right here. It is a 600 volt. Looks like it's an 8. Yeah, 8 gauge. I guess they just want the thick wire to carry the amperage. Which, if I use that, which I probably will, I'll go ahead and hammer on the connectors where you can put the bolt through. And I'll do it that way. I want to use that light type, the 20 amp light switch, and then I'll mount it on the side right here, a 4 box, and just carry the main throughout to each of the switches, and then just have an on-off type scenario. And but this is a good fix for, like I said, this setup doesn't work. I wish it would have, but it just don't. It won't. But way to save your and fix it really cheap is able to order the knife switches from China for $1.90 a piece, and with a double. If I go that route with a double throw, then I only need, one will give me an A and a B, and then the other one will give me the C and the D, and I'd only need 2. So, but if I go the switch route, the 20 amp switch route, it's going to cost a little bit more, but not that much more, and that way it'd be all covered to make sure that nothing happens.